Most people learn that how are you in Vietnamese is bạn khỏe không? However, native speakers only say how are you to someone that they know but haven't seen in a while. In this video lesson, I'll teach you when and how to say how are you in Vietnamese, different phrases that native speakers say when meeting someone, and how you can respond to those questions. Hi friends, Caroline here from How To Vietnamese, where you can get all the resources that you need to learn authentic Southern Vietnamese. As usual, you can view the full lesson on my website at howtovietnamese.com. All links are in the description box below. Now let's dive in. As mentioned earlier, Vietnamese people don't ask strangers, how are you? We often use it to ask someone we know but haven't talked to in a while. And that can be in person or over the phone. When you meet someone for the first time, simply say hello and then introduce your name. So there are two common ways to ask how are you in both formal and informal situations. The first way that most people know is bạn khỏe không? Bạn khỏe không literally means you are well, where khỏe means well, healthy, or strong, and the word không at the end of the sentence is used to turn a statement into a yes-no question. Here's how you can respond to these questions. Mình khỏe, I'm fine, or vẫn bình thường, meaning fine as usual. The second way to ask how are you in Vietnamese is dạo này bạn thế nào? Dạo này bạn thế nào? Literally, these days you are how, or how are you these days? Where dạo này means these days, thế nào means how. Dạo này bạn thế nào? How are you these days? To respond, you can say vẫn bình thường, fine as usual, or dạo này mình hơi bận. Dạo này mình hơi bận. These days I'm quite busy. Where bận means busy. Hơi bận, quite busy. Besides the standard how are you, there are also different sayings that you can use as conversation starters when meeting someone after a long time, such as asking how's the person work or how's the person's family. Dạo này công việc của bạn thế nào? Dạo này công việc của bạn thế nào? Meaning, these days, how's your work? Where công việc means work or job. To ask about family, you can say dạo này gia đình của bạn thế nào? Dạo này gia đình của bạn thế nào? Meaning, these days, how's your family? Where gia đình means family. Of course, you can also ask about a specific person such as ba mẹ của bạn thế nào? How's your parents? Or mấy đứa con của bạn thế nào? How are your children? So those are phrases that you can use to kind of ask how are you in Vietnamese to someone you know but again haven't seen in a while. Now, what about people that you see more often like your neighbors or coworkers? How do we start a conversation with them casually? Well, you can say something like, oh, where are you going? Or, what are you doing? To say, where are you going? It's bạn đang đi đâu đó? Bạn đang đi đâu đó? Literally, you are going where? Where? Đi means to go. Đang đi, to be going to somewhere at the moment of speaking. Đâu is the question word for where, and đó is the common ending particle in Vietnamese that is used to mark an action that is currently in progress. Bạn đang đi đâu đó? Where are you going? To respond, you can say something general like mình đang đi công chuyện. Mình đang đi công chuyện, meaning I'm going to do some stuff. Or I'm going to run some errands. Besides saying, where are you going to start the conversation, you can also ask, what are you doing? Bạn đang làm gì đó? Bạn đang làm gì đó? Literally, you are doing what? Where làm means to do. Đang làm means to be doing something at the moment. Bạn đang làm gì đó? What are you doing? So those are all the phrases that you can say when meeting someone that you know. Please spend a second to like this video if you find it helpful, and check out more related video on the right.